Hello everyone! Welcome to the Maxi Pixie channel. Today we're going to draw and color Yozhik from KikoRiki. Let's start drawing! First, we draw its spiky hair. Then we draw its little ears. We draw its head. We draw its tiny hands. And we draw its tiny legs and feet. Here is the most fun part. We're drawing its round glasses. We're drawing its little eyes. And eyebrows. And nose. And finally, smiley face. Wow, we finished drawing Yozhik. Let's start coloring. Purple for hair. Red for eyebrows and nose. And last color is pink. Awesome! We've finished drawing and coloring Yozhik from KikoRiki. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video!